Banks FX. Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
You're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the markets always work.
Analysis. And live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Hold on a second. Yo, can you guys hear me now? I think so. Hold on a second. Hello. All right. Cool. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. Let's get this money, baby. Yo. So lives are back. We're doing New York sessions, and I'm a little late. I apologize. I was trying to be on at 5:30, but I was having some technical difficulties over here trying to, I don't know, for some reason it didn't want to like stream where I was trying to stream. Anyways, you know what, man, and I hope this doesn't, this is gonna, hold on, hopefully you guys can see my screen here. Let me know, am I like frozen or anything, or can you guys see my screen? Let me know in the chat or something, because I'm using some new monitors, guys, and I thought it was gonna be good here, but for some reason, okay, maybe I can see it better here. All right. That looks like it's working. Long time no see. What's up? Forex Trade. I know, man, it's been a minute, but I'm back. I told you guys I was gonna come back. Just give me a minute. Alright, let me do it like that. Okay. Sorry, I'm working with the new setup, and just had some few issues, you know. Oh, excuse me. All right, guys, so let's get into it. Sorry I didn't get to do our daily our weekly analysis yesterday. Like I said, I was working on some things. This was a trade we took last week Thursday, hit our stop loss, completely just disrespected us. I was hoping for a completion pattern down to this side, and right here, once this 4 hours broken above here, this should have been a signal right here to get out. Like, boom. I ended up like holding it. It was like over Thursday to Friday, and then ended up picking it up here. But it's all good, part of the game. You know, we keep it moving. Let's look at some challenge trades here. Okay, so this one kind of like really ruined my streak on my challenge account. If you're in my Discord and participating in that challenge, it's a $10 to $1,000 challenge, and we were up like, I don't know, like almost 300% already, and I took this nasty SL. The good thing is, I mean, we're still above our initial capital, but good news is, if you aren't in it and want to be in it, let me know. Just DM me on the Discord and I'll let you in, since we're kind of starting from scratch. I think I'm like at $14 or something. Took like a $22 loss. Part of the game. Anyways, let's keep it moving. Look at this. We talked about this last week. almost fucking identical here. Crazy. I do expect like a little breakout here for gold. Look at a couple things. Let's start clean charts, weekly analysis, top down analysis. You know how we do. All right. So what do we see here, guys? I mean, dang, this thing is just... So since this is weekly, let's focus right here. Right, we've been pushing down and we begin to turn around here. This week has just started and this could be creating the bottom wick. Okay, so then we have this right here up to the upside. So for the past 1, 2, 3 weeks we've been bullish, right? This, like I said, it's brand new week, could be creating the bottom wick, which would be a good thing, because each one of these weeks, well, except for here, this was heavy consolidation. But it's broken, you know, last week it broke the past highs. So we should expect this thing to continue to the upside right here. Right? So let's bring it down to the daily. What do we see? We have this nice support here where it shot up, but this high right here failed to create a higher high. It did, although, break all this market structure. And I like the current, see, all this was all that heavy consolidation. This was a huge push down. I mean, we did phenomenal month with this push down. It was really nice for us. And then it's been doing this, and now it's been pushing up. So July 8th was Friday, right? July 8th, no, Thursday. It was Thursday, this was Friday, Monday. I don't like this bearish doji, because this could be a sign of price exhaustion or reversal. But the candle that we got directly after that was bullish, so I kind of like that. You know, this could easily just be indecision, news, or, you know, what have you. And really, yeah, the first week of July, I mean, the first week of the month is usually like that with the news. You know, you got NFP and you got all kinds of different things happening. So right now, this is a brand new day, and like I said, it's creating the. It looks like it's creating the bottom wick before it continues up. I think your volume is a little low. On my microphone, let me see if I can change that. Like me speaking, or are you talking about like on the chart? Sorry. How about now? Is it better now? I turned it up. Let me move it closer to me. All right. Hopefully it's better now. Sorry. Okay, cool. So daily, this one is the current day. So we got to let this play out. But we know from the past here, we had this huge bullish run, indecision, exhaustion, and then it pushed back up. But this low here, it looks like maybe, see here, it didn't really, see what was the low here? The low was 1794.215. Low on this one was 1793. Okay, so it did go a little lower. But from this low, we haven't seen a break of that low. Now, if this candle here wicks and it breaks lower than this, then we could be seeing a coming back to test support down here. Right, we could see something like this where it comes back down into this area before it comes back up to test this area. Right, that could be a possibility, but this is on the daily, so it's high time frame. Let's move down to the 4 hours, see what we see. Heavy consolidation right here. We got this nice push up. It looks like a little bit of consolidation right here. Really, I would be looking to break out of this area, really actually above this. And the reason I say above here is because right here, you know, from right here, our range, we'd be looking at 76 pips right there. But I think we'd be a lot safer if we put it up here. So I'm gonna go to put it there, and I'm gonna add an alert crossing up. Okay. And you know what? I want the bar to close. Create that alert. To the downside here, you know, this is not really clean right here. It's pretty choppy, to be honest. But if I had to choose, I think I would choose right around here. Because I think after this point, you know, it'll push down further. And I'm not going to set an alert there because I'm going to come down here and see if we can get a trade here for New York Open. So I come down to smaller time frames. The higher time frames is going to be a long-term play. So, you know, keep in mind with the higher time frames is usually 12 to 24 hours you're going to be holding. You know, I don't really consider them swing trades, more like intraday trades. And those are perfect for people, you know, that have lives. Is it because Raja changed? Yo, what's GJ been up to? I'm gonna look at GJ here in a minute. Raja changed to London. I don't know. I didn't know he changed to London. I haven't been on. No. I haven't been on because I've been doing a lot of like background stuff, and when I decided to come back, I said, you know what? I'm gonna do the live streams for New York because the London sessions were what was killing me because I was like up live trading those, and usually, I mean, I'll still have alerts and I can get up and like, you know, execute, but having to like do it live, you know, streaming and talking it through and, you know, answering questions, like that's, I mean, it's a lot of work. You know, I can easily just set my price alerts and then like literally go to bed and get an alert and just look at my phone and execute from my phone. You know, the lives kind of, it's a lot harder, you know. And what was messing with me is that, you know, I was doing that basically to like 3-4 in the morning, and then, you know, I was getting up by like 6, 7, 8 to handle a bunch of other stuff that I have to do, and that is what was killing me. So I said, you know what, I'm going to structure my schedule a little differently, move things around, but it took me a while to kind of get everything going, and that's why now I'm in a place where, okay, up in the morning early, like I start at 4 a.m. instead of stopping at 4 a.m. Start at 4 a.m. I'm gonna stream in the morning, do New York session with you guys, and then I still have my Discord where I'll send out. So it is seeing more lots now. What do you mean? So it is seeing more lots now? I'm not sure what you mean by that. But anyways, we're going to be doing New York sessions, and I may not do the whole week because I do have my Discord that I want to get more time and effort into. So if you're in there, I mean, you'll be with me a lot more in my Discord. But for YouTube, like, you know, I may just do like 2-3 days or something. I mean, London session since Roger switched. Probably, right? I mean, he has a bunch of people that are following him and taking his trades too, but I don't know. I didn't know he had switched or anything. That's crazy because he used to do New York all the time, and that was one of the reasons I didn't want to do New York at the beginning, was because I knew he had a lot of people doing it. But I said, you know what, I mean, it is what it is. Like, I'd rather do New York because of the time, and it's just a lot harder for me to kind of lose more sleep and still execute on everything that I want to do. Anyways, let's look at this 1 hour here. So we have a little bit of support right here that's already been broken. So it's kind of just on the downfall, really. I would look probably to see how it's going to react over here in this area. And then above here, really we have this area right here to focus on. Let's narrow it down on the 30-minute. I would like to get like a live trade for you guys in the morning. you know, something like a quick scalp, 10-15 pips, jump in, jump out. Just so the people that are like can only dedicate this time and jumping on the YouTube can make some money too, you know, execute. I mean, you don't have to. At the end of the day, I'm here. I'm still gonna do my thing. Man, this really looks like this. Look at this right here. And I mean, this kind of wicked right here already at 5 in the morning. Pushed up. Trading bottom wick. It's 26 minutes in. What time is it? 6:30. So we have New York open at what time? Have a note here. My goodness. Okay, we're in pre-New York right now. So at 7 in like 27 minutes. Yeah, so at the end of this, we're gonna have an open. Oh, the Aussie news. Yeah, it could be. Could be. No, but I really feel like gold's gonna push up heavy soon. Let's look at the news before I freaking forget. Oh my gosh. 12:01 p.m. 10-year bond auction USD. It's today. 12:01. Remember that, guys. Tomorrow 7:30 a.m. 9 p.m. for NZD. GBP at 1 a.m. Wednesday. 7:30 a.m. USD. CAD. USD, Fed Chair Powell. So these orange and red folders, guys, and look, the way I'm explaining things, guys, this is how I trade. Like, you know, I get so many times where people come in my messages and DM me or send me private messages and talk about, oh, this is so and so, and this is how, you know, I don't care how anyone else interprets. At the end of the day, like, dude, I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do because I trade how I trade, and I'm profitable, I'm consistent, and I don't really have to prove anything to anyone. If you're here, you're here to enjoy it, and, you know, follow along, take it if you want. Not, I mean, do your thing. I don't really care. But the way I do things, orange and red folders, I'm not in trades for those. Like, I don't mess with it. I've been burned too many times, you know. And I'm not down with it. So for today, we just got 12:01. Just remind myself not to be in trades before then. All right, so 30-minute here. See if we break below here. No, you know, it's really ugly, to be honest. I don't really like none of it. I'm just gonna leave this here, and honestly, I think we're gonna come and test this up if we can break above this high. And this would just probably be a quick move, but to be honest, it's Monday, low volume day. It could be a no trade day. What the hell was that? Something disconnected. I don't know. Honestly, like, even if we were looking right here, like a 20 pip, target 38, that risk reward is not that great. But really, you would just be looking to get like in 15 pips. We need it to come down, test this level of support. It would be nice. Let's see the 15-minute. But you see, it's not smart to get in when it's moving down like this, bearish, because, well, there's no confirmation it's going up, you know. So maybe you go down on a smaller time frame. So you see here, boom, capped out, boom, capped out. Now here's the support. We're gonna break that. Here's the support. We're gonna break that. That is the real question. And usually, like when the market opens, there is a push up because of all the pending orders over the weekend. So let's hold off on this right here and go to GJ. Let's see what that thing is doing. And let's do a quick analysis here so we can make sure we catch what we want to catch. I already had alerts on this. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that though. Last week. Let's start fresh. All right. So heavy bullish up here. We push back here. We have a level of support right here. It came down, wicked it, rejected it, but it's still moving bearish. So it could just be low volume with the size of the candlesticks that it hasn't been able to push up, but each one of these has failed to create a newer high. So for the past 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, the past month basically, it hasn't been able to create a new high. There's a level of support here where it's kind of already tested it for the day, so we could be changing direction, especially with these signs. Is heavy rejection on this wick. It could be indication of price exhaustion and reversal. So we would just watch how this plays out. But that's on the weekly. Let's move to the daily. Okay, what do we see here on the daily? Okay, we see, here we go, July 9th, Friday. This thing ended up closing bullish engulfing, which is a nice sign. This one just got started. Well, we got about 9 hours left in this one for the day. Here's some support. Here's some support. But the pattern here has been a low high is a lower high, lower low. So realistically, we would really want to see us to start breaking market structure. So maybe something around here. Okay, that's on the daily. Let's move to the 4 hour. Okay, so the 4 hour gives us a better, more in-depth picture here about the lower lows here. Low, lower low. So the pattern could be continuing to the downside, especially now we got New York coming up. US dollar usually is what gets pumped during this time, but that's never a guarantee, right? You know, it could always be something different. Video froze. Oh, hey, see it. I don't know how to. Yo, can you hear me and still see the chart? Because I don't know what the fuck's going on, man. Like it's like I'm trying to come back and all of a sudden I'm having all these problems. We're gonna work through this though. We're gonna get it right. I don't know what the hell. Oh, you know what? I know what it is, man. It's probably my camera. It's because I'm using my phone connected to OBS as my camera. Because I don't, you know what? I should probably just get a webcam because I'm so tired of this. If you guys know any good webcams to recommend, let me know, because I don't even, I try to, there's so many different options. Anyways, let's work through this real quick, guys. That way we don't miss out on the other one. Let me just check it real quick. What was it on the 30-minute? Okay. Bam, look at this. And you know what? I bet you anything this is an impulse move. What time is it? 6:42. We got about 15 minutes here. What does a 15-minute look like? Oh, it's already pulling back. What does a 5-minute? I might get into this. If I can. Where is that in the next? Okay. What is this? About a 14-15 pip stop. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna jump into gold, guys. Oh, where's my fucking... Alright, I'm in gold. Damn, I missed the fucking... what price did I get? Hold on a second. Damn, I didn't get into 99. 98, damn it. Kinda high. Man, I really wanted to get it in down here, but it's all good. And I'm just gonna take 10-15 pips, guys, and get out. And I'm gonna go ahead and step my take profit. Alright. And this ends up being a horrible risk to reward. Because I had to catch that quick, man. It was like pushing down, pushing up. Look at it. And guys, on Mondays, I usually use like half of my usual risk, just so you guys know. Because I'm really not trying to... Hang on, I'm looking at something. Totally fine here, guys. Totally fine. I'm placing my stops after this right here, around here. Just got to give it room to breathe, you know. I like that rejection on the 15-minute. Now, if this candle, you know what? Hold on. 3.5 minutes. Okay. Just be patient, guys. It should pull up. You know what? I think I need to... No. That's good. Alright, let's finish GJ. Where were we on the 4-hour? Damn it. Okay. So it looks like GJ is creating some support. We got about an hour left on that. Let's look at this level here. Boom. And then most of this level here. An hour. Okay. I like it. I like it a lot. I mean, this thing is moving up. So, see here, we break here, go to the downside, boom. We got some nice clean traffic down to right here. If we break to the upside, actually I probably wouldn't get into this thing till kind of iffy here. Actually, right here where it's at, our best bet is breaking to the upside right there, but we would need a break and close. So let me go ahead and put an alert here. I'm gonna say crossing up, close. That could let me know. And this same thing, crossing down. Because if it closes here in 10 minutes, then we have a chance to get into that. Back to the gold. We got about 11 minutes here. Still pushing down a little bit, but I'm not concerned. I know this area right here is a price it likes to test. And let's see. Dollars up a bit here. Might push us down. Patience, patience, patience. That noise that had said earlier that something unplugged, it was my phone disconnecting, and that's why the camera froze. I don't know why it disconnected. It is what it is. It probably like turned off or something. I did add another position on my gold when it came down here, and that is just the bottom wick here, because I had accidentally like my usual risk that I take. I don't know why my one-click trading buttons, the lots were like really small, but I think it was because I was on my other trading account. So I had to take another one, so I actually have two positions. The 1 minute candles, oh, I don't even mess with the 1 minute candles, but I'll look at them. There's the 1 minute candles for you. Came down, support all the way up, came down, respected it again, pushing up again. So I mean, it looks nice, because really I'm just gonna take 10-15 pips from 17.99. That's 1801, like around this area. Maybe even around this area, just breaking. So I'm not looking for anything. When you're doing day trading, scalping in the morning, any session, you're playing off volume and you're playing off initial pushes, right? You're not looking for long term. Most of the trades that I'm calling out, like in my Discord, those are going to be intraday trades that we usually hold on for 8, 10, 12 hours. This is looking nice. What does GJ look like? Oh, look at that. See, this is why you wait for candle closures. Pull back right there. Come on, gold. That is what I was doing when trading gold, looking at the 1 minute to see if it was doing anything weird. Oh, I see what you mean. Oh, you know what? Let me see this real quick. Let's see. Okay. Nice. It should be a nice quick win for us once we get this market to open here in the 8 minutes. The reason I jumped into this before the candle closed, so you guys can understand, is the rejection I kept seeing. So first of all, the last hour here came down and rejected it, right? I know it's been moving down. The 30-minute, we have these two candles pushing up, right? 15-minute, we have the same wicks, heavy wicks, especially in this area that I had already identified previously. And the 5-minute. The 5-minute, we ended up getting in, I think it was right around here, and then it had pushed up and came down. But you know, seeing this type of structure, I can milk 10-15 pips out of this. You know, I'm not looking for a huge move, remember. Alright, it's pushing up a little bit here. Not bad, not bad. Because then I knew if I should wait, if I was in slight drawdown, or if I was close to what I wanted to secure in profits. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah. Well, you know, for me, like, whenever I jump in, I'm paying attention to the way the candles are going to close. You know, ideally, when I get in, I want the candles, especially like on the 30-minute, to be closing, you know, higher. You don't want to create additional lows, right? Just to be able to get that quick move, because this is not and this is like, the way I'm trading here is not the way I trade on my Discord. The Discord is more overall movements, and what we're looking at here is very micro movements. So I guess like on my Discord is more of a macro type of thing. Sorry guys, I'm I'm trying to drink this damn smoothie and before it gets too warm. Gotta get my greens in, you know. All right, so I have a position that I got in down here, so I'm in a little bit of profit, but it's still not much. Got about 4 minutes here. See what GJ looks like. GJ's pulling back. Look at that. Rejection. Rejection. If we close below here, I think we have some nice movement to the downside. If we close above here, this is not that great of a range. What are we looking at here? 33 pips, 35 pips. Let's go gold. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Yo, and for my challenge, guys, don't get into this gold trade for the challenge account. I'll be sending out a trade for that later today. If I see anything, it's Monday, remember, so patience. All right, we're going to profits here for gold. We're going into profits for gold. So remember, 10-15 pips, guys, and then call it. Don't be greedy. Think the markets. It's Monday, remember. It is Monday. Got about 2.5 minutes here left on the 30-minute candle. Let's see how this is going to close. If it I mean, I would love for this to close bullish, but as long as it's closing, like creating that support here, oof, it would be hella nice. Hella nice. Oh, come on now. Come on now. Got about 1 minute and 45 seconds left on this candle. Come on, baby. Let's get it, baby. Little bit of profits here. Little bitty baby profits. Come on now. What's GJ doing? Take this shit off. Oof. Look at that. Imagine if we would have got in up here when it was... That's why you wait for candle closure, baby. That's why you wait for candle closure. Can't be messing around with that. Gold is a different thing, though. You trade gold differently. You have to know how it moves. If you don't know how gold moves, and I mean, I don't know what to tell you. As we are in profit, we got about 8 seconds here for candle to close. What you gonna close like? 3, 2, 1. Boom. Not bad. I'm in profits, closed in profits. All right, let's shoot up. 7 a.m. It's 7 a.m. So what does that mean? New York open, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Give me my little quick 10-15 pips. All right. All right. All right. All right. Come on now. Fine, just creating a bottom wick here before it pushes up. Let's go. Come on now, what are you doing? Let's see something real quick. Sometimes there's news that's not in the folders over here. But everything looks fine. Just Monday, man. Slow volume days. You can still make a low cash though. So if you're just joining us, guys, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am back. We're doing New York sessions live Forex trading. I'm here and I will be trading New York sessions from here on out on YouTube. If you're not already subscribed, please consider like and subscribe the video. Or like the video, right, and subscribe to the channel so you can make sure to catch the lives. You probably need to hit the notification bell so you're notified when I go live. But I also have a link to my Discord in the description. If you guys want to join that, I do challenges, trades, answer questions. I'm pretty much active there throughout the whole day. And for the lives, I'm just doing a quick scalp, day trade for New York session, trying to leverage the volume for the opening session here and catch a quick bag. But I do send out trade ideas, trade setups, breakdowns, analysis, and answer questions, provide resources, education, everything on my Discord. So if you're not in that, go ahead and check out the description and consider joining. You just have to click the link and like log into it. Like there's no charge or nothing like that. I get that a lot. I get a lot of people that message me and ask me if I have like a premium group or a paid signals group or like paid mentorship and those kind of things, but I do not, guys. I do not. And if anyone else is trying to tell you otherwise or sell you something, they're lying and scamming you. I do not. I'm just here sharing what I do. I'm here for the people, baby. Come on now. I just want to see a nice large candle, like just take my money and go. Oh man, imagine catching like, I was just thinking like, because if we look at this on the 4 hour, like it may be consolidating here for a bit, but it's going to correct all, like it's coming up here to correct this at some point. At some point it's going to push up into this area. But imagine like, oof, look, pushing up. Hold on a second, maybe you guys, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Nice, 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 nice. Okay, we're halfway there. About 5 pips. About 5 pips. Looking really nice. 6 pips. Testing these highs here. See if we can break that. Ooh, it's going, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Who's in this? Who's in this with me? No one? Just me? Okay. I wonder if, can you guys hear that or not? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I wonder if can you hear that or not? Probably not, huh? Oh well. I was trying to share something with y'all, a little sound bit. I'll figure that out. I'm still working out King's guys, because I got it. Like I said, I got a new setup, and not really a new setup like a new computer or nothing, but new monitors and like keyboards, USB hubs, stuff like that. Come on now. That's 5 minute 15 looks nice. 30 is looking good. So my bottom position is actually 17.99, 14, or just 14, and that's about 12 pips right now. 14, 15 pips, 15 pips. 16. I might just take that right there. Pulling back. You know what I'm gonna do is I closed my higher position, and then, oh man, it's pulling back. Damn it. The higher position is already closed, so, and I mean, I only took like, I think 6 pips on that. But I'll tell you, oh man, I have an event this weekend, damn it. I was gonna, my position, I was gonna close half of it. I was gonna close half of it and then just put my stops at break even. But it pulled back, so I'm not closing it yet. I'm gonna give it a little time. Give it a little time. Ugh. Came all the way back down. Should have probably closed it out there. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. Not bad, not bad. What is the GJ doing? What is GJ doing? Be doing about the same. But really, if I could just get this 20 pips, I'd be golden. It already went up there too. You tripping. Come on, baby. Give me a nice push up. So on my I only took about 5 pip profit. Took a 5 pip profit on my initial position that was a little higher than this one, and I closed that one out. So I'm just in my position that was lower, and right now I'm currently in about, what is this? No, it's not. Oh wait, I guess it, yeah, there you go. About 10 pip profit, 8 pip profit, 8.5 pips. So I am in a little bit of profit right now, but I'm waiting. It already hit 20 pips too, and I should have freaking took it, but so good. All good, all good. Still in this thing. Okay. Okay. I have my take profit set for 20 pips. So once it hits that, then I'll take that. Take that. Okay, let's go up. Time to go up, baby. Oh, come on now. Don't do that. Let's go up. Oh, come on now. What's GJ doing? Pushing down as well. And this thing is like capping out right here. Pushing down lower. Came all the way back down. Should have took my 20 pips when I had them. It's all good, all good. Being patient. Come on now. So if you're just joining us, guys, we are in an active trade in gold. It's actually right around our entry right now. If you hadn't got in, you can have an opportunity right now to get in if you want. Just getting 10-15 pips out of it, and oh, nice, look at that. Push right back up, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ooh, about to hit my TP. All right. Oh, come on. Like 2 pips away. Boom. Hit my take profit, guys. That's a win. We took this baby. We held it. We were patient. Took 20 plus pips on it. I hope you guys were able to profit on that with me. That's it. That's all she wrote. That's how simple and easy it is. Right, we're over here fucking sweating and shit that it was gonna keep falling. Nah, it's because I had missed my original entry and then my original take profit, but it is what it is. So that was a success. We took 5 pips with, damn, and then it kept going up. Like we could have got 25 pips right there. 26 pips. You know, our original trade, it went for 5 pips, and then we took 21, 22 out of here, so about 27 pips. And that's a nice win, guys, on a Monday. It's not bad, especially a quick little scalp. Remember, the scalps, you're just looking for 10, 15, 20 pips, and that's really, like, I mean, that's a nice win. So don't be impatient. Stay patient, guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and log off because I don't want to look at this any longer for any more scalps. I need to look at some setups for my Discord, for the challenge group, and update them in there. And if you're not in there, like I said, check the description and there's a link for that. And if you message me on Discord, I'm letting everyone in for the challenge group right now, so just make sure you message me. Other than that, I appreciate you guys. Much love. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. I promise I'm gonna get the whole kinks worked out for the next one. We'll be back tomorrow, and we'll keep it rolling. All right, thanks for joining, guys. Much love. I'll see you guys mañana. Peace.